Hi, this is Craig from Objective Loon South Africa, and I'm going to briefly demonstrate PrintShop Mail Suite. PrintShop Mail Suite contains two products. The first is PrintShop Mail, which is a variable data composition tool and allows you to do variable text, variable numbering, otherwise known as counters, barcodes, and also variable imaging. If I go to the print preview of this sample here, you'll see that it's already done multiple up or print through stack with crop marks and bleed margins. All of this is built into the software itself. And if I have a closer look, you'll see that it has the variable aspects of the text, barcodes, numbers, and then you'll see that the actual language changes in the background. For this specific sample, which is a gift certificate, I use the following resources: an Excel spreadsheet with some values in it. Just keep note of this language field, which has English, French, and German in it. I also have a folder with some PDF backgrounds. So these are blank backgrounds of that gift certificate. This one is in English. I also have in German, and there's also one in French. So in the software itself, I can basically overlay the data from the spreadsheet. I can add text, and like many Microsoft products, it's quite easy to change for example, the color, the bold. I can even change the size and even the font. I will add the language column as well. I can also create barcodes. So this is a code 128 barcode, but we also support all 1D and 2D barcodes, including the popular QR barcode. Now, as I go through the records, you'll see that the language in the background changes. The software isn't changing the language, it's just when it sees German in the database, it brings in the German background PDF, which shows the variable imaging, and then the counter is over there, the barcode, and the variable text. The reason this is production software is because you can use any image file, whether it's a PDF, a GIF, a JPEG, a PNG, or a TIFF file. You can use almost all database formats. For example, Excel spreadsheets, HTML files, text files, and XML. We also use optimized PostScript printing, which basically means that we can guarantee engine speed on any PostScript enabled digital printer, regardless of the size of the variable data job, because of the optimized PostScript, and we have support for the following front ends. And these are obviously for production environments. PrintShop Mail is used in conjunction with the second part of PrintShop Mail Suite, which is PrintShop Web. So if I want somebody to be able to order this specific document online, I can upload it into PrintShop Web. And it will actually upload all of the resources into the web-to-print product, PrintShop Web, for somebody to order at a later stage. Now, PrintShop Web is an online ordering system, or commonly known as web-to-print. You can see I'm using my Mozilla Firefox browser here, and I'm going to log on as an imaginary end user from an imaginary company and have a look around. So I have my own look and feel of my company with my name, and I can go and have a look at all of the corporate stationery that I can order. And I also have an order manager to show the status of currently ordered jobs and a full history of jobs. I will log off and I will log on as a different imaginary company, as in a different imaginary end user. Again, my own personalized look and feel. And I can see all of my corporate stationery for my specific company, including my order manager that has all of the details of my jobs past and present. This change of look and feel is standard in the software. It's a little wizard, but you can also change the entire look and feel in the way that the software works because it is all built in HTML. So it's very easy to change. And that is in the software, built in free of charge. Now I'm going to log on under my own company and I'm going to order a couple of documents. So again, my own look and feel, my own username, and there I can have a look at my own corporate stationery. In the software I can order anything from just regular static brochures. In this case this is just a static PDF. I can order highly personalized calendars. I can do newsletters. I can also upload my own documents. I can upload my own artwork and ask the printer to please give me a quote on how much it would be to print. But most importantly, and it's quite a popular one, is business cards. So here I can choose a business card. I can enter my own name. I can enter my direct number. I can enter my mobile number. I can enter my email address. I can choose from a drop-down list of job titles. In this case, I'll be a bus driver. I can even upload an image of myself. I can have a look at the preview. So yes, I'm happy with that. Now I can actually pay. PrintShop Web offers two payment methods. The first is paying immediately using my credit card. So I can add it to my cart, just like on eBay or any of the other online ordering systems. I want 5 cards and I want to proceed. I can check if all my details are correct and I can accept the terms and conditions and I can proceed. I'm happy with that price and now I can pay immediately. In my demonstration, I'm hooked up to MyGate, but we also work with PayPal and we can custom fit it to work with any other payment module. Once I pay, it will register back on PrintShop Web and it will also send me back. The second payment option is PrintShop Web can communicate with a accounting system, something like Pastel, so you can invoice your customer at the end of the month. Now I'm going to log on as an administrator. So this is the standard look and feel, and now I'm in the actual back end of the software. Now I can see all of the company's documents. My order manager is more complex. I can see which jobs are in plant, which are being shipped, which are on hold for various reasons, and obviously a full history. And the history I can export to an Excel spreadsheet to send to customers if they have queries. If I get a new customer on board, I can basically add a new company. For this sample, I'm going to use our sister company, PrintSoft. Once I've created the company, it's very easy to customize it. I can now add addresses, I can add users, I can add documents into it for ordering, I can add different departments, and I can customize the pricing and the ordering processes for this specific company. But I want to change the look and feel, so I can actually just go to the PrintSoft website. I can take a screenshot of the logo. I can use my little color picker app almost to get the main color of the website, which is that red. Now I can edit the web design of the company that the new company that I've created. I can go and choose the screenshot that I took. I can also choose the color that I chose just now. I can save that, and now if I refresh, there we go. I've now changed the look and feel. Very easy to customize it for new customers and end users, and all of this is built into the software free of charge, no extra cost. There are a couple of other settings. I will just briefly touch on some. You can change currencies if you operate in different countries. You can change tax rates. You can change shipping rates, and you can change what the calendar will show some people if they have a look at it, and you can customize this per company or per end user. In a nutshell, that is what PrintShop Mail Suite is all about. As an end user customer of Objective Loon, you have access to our resource center, which is all free to download and has user guides and samples, tutorials to get to know how to use the software. You also have access to our online learning portal. So we offer on-site training, but if a new employee arrives a little bit later and misses the training, you can just put them on the free online training. Thank you very much, and I'm done.